Want to be on top, or are you a bottom?
You wanna be on top? You wanna be on top? You wanna be on top? You wanna be on top?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, itatry natin naman yung I tried following a blank, which is the makeup artist o na paborito mo, his makeup or her makeup tutorial. Ifa-follow ko yung kanyang technique. Walang iba kundi si Patrickstarrr, which is talagang napakagaling niyang mag-makeup. Yung kanyang transformation ay napaka-iba doon sa ibang makeup gurus or makeup artist. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, wala ako nung kanyang primer. So, gagamitin ko na lang itong Max Fix Plus.
Spray the face. Ooh, do you see you can see the mist up in this camera, okay. I feel to TV ready top model skin is skin prep, so hydrating your skin.
So, ito na
As
lang
my skin is soaking in all that goodness, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to brows. Brows, we want full, we want 90s, we want supermodel brows. I'm gonna go ahead and fill in the bottom of my brows with the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil and cheat the line a little bit lower, which is what I've been doing late. If you guys want to get a more full brow, it doesn't have to be just the top. Or if you want to cheat a more straight brow, you can take the pencil or whatever brow product you like. They look fierce so far. So these are my brows. These are my brows. I know they look scary, but we're gonna blend a little bit later. Y'all know the drill. The NARS Natural Radiant Long Wear Foundation.
So yun gagamitin niya. Oh, okay, brush. Oh my god, natatawa sa itsura ko. Babasan nga natin to. So gagamit siya ng brush. I'll be using this one, the Real Techniques brush.
Well, and apply directly to the face. Nice coverage. I love this because it's so smoothing under the eyes and it's so easy and it's a pen. And you see the secret to a Patrickstarrr face is that we're gonna draw lots of light towards the middle. So under the eyes, on the nose, and contour all around. So if you guys want attention to your face, just do that with all the concealer and the brightness of the concealer, okay? All right, now I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend all this concealer and bounce the beauty blender all over my face. Guys, speaking of top model tutorial, I cannot believe that I was on the season of America's Next Top Model.
Ito na lang muna yung gagamitin ko, yung kay Laura Mercier na translucent powder.
We're launching internationally this month, so I am going to the Philippines. If you guys didn't know, I'm going at the end of the month, so if you're there, see ya! So next you're gonna take a bunch of powder and just beat your face like you in the 90s, like you a 90s supermodel, okay? Because everything back then was matte. A plus size brown turban wearing man on TV with a full beat face. So it's really awesome, and thank you, Tyra Banks. Awesome. Oh my gosh, you guys.
Oh my god.
Cosmetics Latte palette. It is
Okay. Since wala ako nung Dominic palette, I'll be using na lang this one, the Huda Beauty. Kasi merong mga colors dito nung na napili niya doon kay Dominic palette na the same here, close yung kulay dito. So I'll be using this Huda Beauty na lang.
A little bit of caramel. Next, I'm gonna take a little bit of hazelnut and mix it with mocha and apply this on the inner and outer crease. And the brush that I'm using is the Morphe M433. This is a must-have brush. If you guys want to cop it using the P-Star discount code, snatch it. All right. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this to the center of my lid. so soft. It's in the color called Costa Riche. And I'm going to tightline my waterline by Benefit and apply many coats on my lashes. Can I just say, I feel so much better double stacking my lashes because something was off. As soon as I smoked it out, something was off. So I took just some random pair of lashes and I'm stacking it for a more full effect. I'm going to take my Makeup Forever Pro Finish Powder, it's a foundation powder, with my Morphe E51 brush. Love this brush. So next we're gonna take my favorite blush ever. This is called Peaches by MAC. Love her. She has been good to me from the dawn of time here online. The more makeup I put, the more sassy I get. Okay. I love blush.
So dali lang mag-nose line lang ako. Nag-nose line na siya kasi off-cam. Wala ako nung kagaya ng kanyang lip liner, but I have this Milani. Parang the same color lang din sa kanya.
Work the hair, Tyra said. Work the eye, work the neck, work the wig, work the edges. What edges? Work the eye. Alright everyone, this is the finished America's Next Top Model look. This is a winning look for everyone. If you want to feel your fiercest, your baddest, and your cuntiest, definitely snatch this look. Get you a nice old wig and overline your lips and live your top model fantasy. I love this look so much. I hope you guys loved it as much as I did.
You wanna be on top?